How to find story memories on Facebook. So if you want to find the story memories on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. You need to find the option which is activity log. Tap on activity log. Once you're here on the activity log, you need to go for your Facebook activity. Under your Facebook activity, you need to scroll down, and here you will have stories. Tap on stories, and under your stories, if you want to find your story memories, then you just need to go for your stories. Under your stories, you can go for the filter and you can filter by date, and you will have all of your story memories right here. But for now, I don't have any memories, but if you have, then it will appear right there. Or you can simply go for story activity, and here you can see the activity of your stories. Like if you've liked someone's stories, then you will have all of that notifications right here. Or you can go for your archive stories, and from here also you will have all of your stories that are in your archive. So that's how you can find your story memories on Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.